Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Notion, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Notion is a versatile all-in-one workspace tool that offers project management features among its broader set of functionalities. Collaboration is central to Notion's design, with features like inline comments, mentions, and real-time editing. It offers products such as AI, Docs, Wikis, Project, and Calendar. Notion also offers a template gallery, customer stories, and connection tools. In the term of pricing, Notion offers a free plan for individuals. Second, Plus plan is for small groups at pricing $8. Third, Business plan for companies connecting to several teams is priced $15. For organizations requiring advanced control, an enterprise plan with custom pricing is also available. In summary, both ClickUp and Notion offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. Notion, on the other hand, offers a more flexible and versatile platform that can be adapted to various use cases beyond project management. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.